Hey, good afternoon. My name is Brittany. I'll be your nurse today. We have some orders from the physician to go over your vitals or check your vitals, check your lung and heart sounds, and we're going to check you also for edema, and we're going to do a pain assessment as well. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to perform some hand hygiene. I'm going to close the curtain for privacy. Can you verify your name and your date of birth?
Emily Farrow, August 27th, 2005.
Okay, thank you so much. And everything's correct on her band. So we're going to go ahead and start with your blood pressure. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right. Okay, and what's your baseline normally?
Just like average.
Okay. A little cold. Okay, I got a 118/78. That's good. And that respiration is at 17. I'm going to check your radial pulse. Is that okay? Okay, we're at 83. And we do have other pulses on our bodies. So we have the temporal, and we have the carotid, and we have the radial, which is what I checked. Then up here we have the brachial, femorals inside the thigh, and then we have the popliteal behind the knee, and then we have the posterior tibial, which is behind the leg, and then we have the pedal, which is up here at the top. Right. So we're going to listen to your heart sounds. And is it okay if I listen to your heart sounds? I'm gonna touch your chest in a couple areas.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you're gonna find the clavicle next to the sternum, and this is on the right side. And this is the aortic. And you come over to the other side of the sternum in the second intercostal space, and this is the pulmonic. And you go down one intercostal space to the Erb's point. Then you go down again to the tricuspid. And then would you mind lifting your breast for me so we can listen to the mitral? And the mitral is also called the apex, which is on the fifth intercostal space near the mid-clavicular line. All right, so we're gonna listen to your lung sounds. When the diaphragm touches your chest, just take a deep breath for me, okay? Okay, and these up here closest to your trachea are gonna be your bronchial. And these are your bronchovasculars. You're just gonna come down. Okay, we're gonna listen to the back. We're gonna do the upper lungs and the lower lungs. All right, thank you. All right, and then we're gonna check you for some edema today. So hold your legs out for me. We're just gonna press in. All right, and everything come back normal, so no edema in the legs. And then we're gonna check your capillary refill. All right, and those refill within 2 seconds, so we're good there. And are you allergic to anything, no allergies that we know of?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you in any pain today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the level of pain from 1 being the worst, or 1 being the least, and 10 being the absolute worst you've ever felt?
3.
Okay. And where is that at?
My elbow.
Okay. And that's the right elbow or left?
Left.
Okay. And what were you doing when you got or started hurting?
I fell in the shower.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta be careful in there. It's pretty slippery.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You taking anything to relieve the pain?
Just some Advil.
Some Advil. Okay. Let's see. And is it affecting your daily life any sort of way?
Just when I like straighten it out, so yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'll just go ahead and let the physician know my findings. I'll go ahead and document that, and then he'll be in just a little bit, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a good rest of your day.
Me too.
Bye-bye.